Over the next few days, not a lot happened.
She's already preparing a meal.
It's like being married.
The most interesting thing was when Hurricane Idaulia took out the power on day 34.
Oh, no way.
No way.
As you can imagine, our cameras became pretty useless. So I'm just gonna take you to day 39. How's it going?
Hello.
Hi.
Hey, I know you guys have been struggling. I'm sorry it took so long. Hold up. Oh, there we go. That was a long delay. You should be able to use your coffee pot again, cook food. You should have a hot shower.
That's excellent.
I'll see you tomorrow with the surprise.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yay! The power's on. Look, it's light.
It feels like cheerier.
The lights are back on again. I just had a hot meal, hot shower. Life is finally looking up here.